Come in. Go step to them. No! Babe, so far back here. I'm gonna leave it so. Yeah man, you. This is it guys, it's going down. Yo, yeah man. Morning neighbors, it is now 5 o'clock, 5:10, and I'm already up for at least an hour, over an hour actually. See Hannah after school, and this is how my days are going since lately, or as of late, yeah. Alright, so Hannah just left. And I'm going to just tell you something about bad mind people. I'm going to tell you something about bad mind people. And it's not what you're thinking. I'm actually going to be telling you about me. I'm going to confess something to the neighborhood guys. Let me just put up the camera and tell you what's going on. Neighbors, you know, say bad mind is a heavy load for bear and we mustn't do it. You know, yesterday, this will free me. I told Tina yesterday as well. Yesterday, I watched an entire football match. Well, not like sit down and watch it, but I turn it on, and every now and again I would go back and check the score. And my sole purpose of watching the football match was to just make sure say Ronaldo lose. I just want Ronaldo lose. I don't care how much him lose by. As a matter of fact though, the worse they lost by, the worst Man U lost by would have been better for me when they were playing. Who Man U played yesterday again? Atletico Madrid. I'm not an Atletico Madrid fan. I just don't want Ronaldo win. And for the full 90 minutes, it's just like, okay, come on Atletico, let's just make Ronaldo lose. You know why? Just because I'm a Messi diehard fan, and Messi did lose last week. And everybody will talk about, oh, Messi this, oh, Messi that, Messi not good, and all these things. And so I watched the match yesterday just to make, I tell you, I know say it every time Manchester United go close to scoring, worse if it's Ronaldo go close to scoring, which he didn't, by the way. He did very poorly yesterday. But you know, just in case it did, it would have made me feel like more anxious, like, oh my gosh. And it's just poor investment of your energy. So at the end of the day, they did lose and I did feel good, but at what cost? And it's not good to feel good about somebody else losing, even if you support somebody else. Anyway, that's the encouragement of what not to do. Encouragement of what to do from Galatians chapter 6 verse 9, which says, be not weary in well-doing, for in due season you shall reap if you faint not. You shall reap a good harvest if you don't give up. Be not weary, don't give up. Things will work out. I saw a picture yesterday that said Bolt trained for 14 years to run 9 seconds. So put in the work. Some people do put in the work for a week and it don't pay off and them stop. Some people put in work for a year and then they don't pay off. Whatever it is, it doesn't pay off and they stop. Continue putting in the work if you're convinced about it, pray about it, put it to God. And in due season, when the time is right, you'll pay. Just like Messi. Messi has been playing for over 15 years at this top level, and it's just this year now when World Cup going to be held in Qatar later in 2022 that him going to win it. But what? The preparation before all those 15 years of work was important for when he's going to the World Cup later this year in December and Argentina will lift the trophy. But don't forget the preparation stage. Alright, so be not weary. In due season, when the time is right, you will have a good harvest. Don't give up. And Paul mustn't bad mind Ronaldo, even though he's a Messi fan. Alright, so now that I got that confession off my chest, I feel freer, and I'm not going to bad mind Ronaldo today. There we have it. So, I'm a morning person, in case you haven't realized yet. I come alive in the mornings. Give me something at 4 o'clock to do. I'll do it by 9 o'clock p.m. I crash. 4 a.m. I may take 10 minutes to warm up, you know, rinse off my face, brush my teeth, and then I'm like, okay, ready. And I'll do my best work, most efficient at that time. 9 p.m., nah. But the children, interestingly, shortly from this, and I'll show you who come out first today, but they don't sleep until no late time. By 6 the latest, people will start trickling through that door. And they will come out here and collapse on the couch, you know, because they're not fully awake, but them just, you know, them just feel like they need to get up. And you would be surprised to see Eden and Ava, the little ones, getting up as well and just starting to be excited for the day. So let's see who wins this day. Edie, sweetie. You see your morning eyes how it crush up? Morning, baby. You okay? You okay? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, let's see who is next to come out. Next up is Zahra. Say good morning, neighbors.
Morning.
You okay?
Mm.
You had a good sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to face the day?
Mm-hmm.
High five. And next up is Leila. Say good morning, neighbors.
Good morning.
You okay, baby?
Yes.
Had a good sleep?
Yes.
Okay, thumbs up. And then if you see this, you see Zahra over here with Eden. Eden climbed by herself into the couch. Let me show you where she was. You can't follow them, you know. So she was on the bed drinking her milk right here. And she used her little feet and climbed up by herself right up there to be with everybody else. You see? Imagine when them get big and can do everything that Leila and Zahra do. See you, Edie? Too cute. Alright. Say morning, Eva. Say morning, neighbors. Say morning, neighbors. I am last today. I got up last today. Had a good night's sleep? Oh, okay. You're just warm up. So on the menu today, we have breakfast, cheese omelette with toast, lunch. Oh, there's nothing for lunch. And then dinner is meatballs and spaghetti. Now, Tina is the night person. She's not up as yet, but she's a night person. So when I knock out at 9 o'clock, 9:30, she comes out and writes this up. So she's the night person, I'm the morning person. So she's getting her trickle sleep now, her beauty nap, while I would have gone in before her in the night. So I'm going to prepare fruits for the babies. She can do the omelette. I'm not good at them omelette thing there. No. In professional hotel style. Carrying 2 plates and 1 hand eat. Edmond Bartlett are ready for the tourism sector. Okay, so this one is for Zaza. Orange plate is for Zaza. Take it, please, ma'am. Okay. And this one, this red plate is for Leila. Take it, please, ma'am. Say grace and bon appetit. None for you right now. You soon get your own.
He's touching it.
Eden, you soon get your own, baby. You soon get your own, okay? So no fruits for you as yet, babies. You got your milk. Now it's time for your Excelsior crackers for the gums. For your yes, here is yours. After you eat your Excelsior crackers, you will get your papaya and your orange. But for now, you're outside with daddy eating your biscuits. Yum, yum. What I absolutely love about getting up so early in the mornings, though, is I can ease into my day rather than feeling rushed. It's not even 8 o'clock as yet. Work starts 8:15, but I feel like I do a lot. I'm calmly going into the start of the day. Now, for the past week, there has also been somebody who has been very productive in the neighborhood. And I think they're trying to, bulldoze some stones. Not bulldoze, whatever that word is, where you break up the stone with the tractor thing and like a jackhammer, but a tractor. Don't know if you know what I mean. And he has been starting promptly at 8 and ending at 5. I mean, this guy's work ethic is like off the chain. At 12 o'clock, he breaks for 1 hour lunch and he's back at it. And I'm saying, this must be him the whole day drilling the thing from the tractor, because all I'm hearing is at the background, right? So I'm saying, can you imagine when him even stop to drive home? Him car don't need shocks, because this is all he was doing all day. But I really rate him, because 8 o'clock, if him not finished what he did yesterday, I guarantee you it's going to be for most of the day. Watch it. No, I don't have a watch on my hand, but I guarantee you it's 8 o'clock. And for the past week, this is how I know it's time to get ready for work. This is going to be going on for the entire day, so this must be him in there, right? Anyway, time to get ready for work, guys. Yo, brother, what's up? Yo, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, come in, man, come in. You touch that thing there one more time today. Touch it one more time today, man. From morning, all of that gigi. You not tired of the gigi, brother? Touch it one more time and see if you know. You want to touch? I'm thinking, if you actually do touch it and start back, what I do? Oh, by the way, I'm not talking to anybody. It's my lunchtime, and apparently it's his lunchtime too. You don't hear no noise, right? So I say, this can't continue. I have to go over there and make him know. Say I was there first. So he can't come in here and just for days I go gigi. So I feel just psyching up myself to go over there and give him a page, right? If I'm not moving this way because I'm nervous, it's because I'm trying to get I'm kinda nervous. So I say if I go over there and say, yo! I probably if it's loud, if it's already drilling, I have to say, yo! Yo, brother! Say fat. If you say fat today, people still do that, say fat. If you say fat today, me and you in a problem. If you don't afraid of me, we call the police. police. That don't really sound threatening, because police will take a while. Why do you think my walk? Yo, brother, you forward. The voice important too. One more time with the walk on the approach. Yo, brother. Yo, forward, man. You. Come here 1 second, man. Yeah, man, you me at talk, brother. From week, it just go dig. I don't want no more the gig in my ears, man. That me make you know. You see me? I wonder if him can actually hear me. Back in character. Yeah, so if it's gonna be a problem, it make me know. You see me? I think I already know. I think I already come in. I know say you have my back, man. Come in. Go step to them. No problem. Babe, so far back here. I'm gonna leave it something. Yeah, man, you. This is it, guys. It's going down. Yo, yeah, man. What a man lucky, man. So luckily for him, not for me, of course, because I was never afraid. I walked over there and it looked like him finished. I'm thinking at least for the day, but hopefully him finish whatever he had to do for his job. So luckily for him, not for me, because I'm brave and I wasn't afraid. Never had to have that confrontation. So back to regular programming. Lunchtime done now. Alright, so Hannah just came home, end of the work day, and I'm thinking to take these little ones for a walk. Should do regularly. But something just dawned on me a while ago, and I have to share it with you, neighbours. Hear this. Get ready to ride?
Yeah.
Who is faster? Leila or Zahra? Come, we're going to have a race. Let's see who is faster today at this moment, because we've done this before. Come, race time. Alright, so first person to reach Hannah wins, okay?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Watch Ava face, man. Who is that? Zahra! Alright, congrats. Ava, you want to ride one day, right? Then boom. It's okay, you are both winners, alright? High five. You're both winners. And high five each other. Alright. Right, so today, when I practice my bad man speech and I'm there saying what I'm going to do, what I'm not going to do, and how to say it and rehearsing and Tina hearing me, and I come out and I do my bad man walk and I, go in and say, yo babe, but Sue come back, I'm gonna deal with something. And all she said was, okay. She never asked, what are you going to deal with? What's going on, Paul? Be concerned here. Let's talk about it. What are you going to do exactly? She just said, okay. That could either mean one or two things. That she's so confident in my protective skills that I had everything under control. Or she was saying, boy, Paul know better than to try any foolishness that involve any conflict or war and confrontation. And I guess both of them aren't that bad. But her response was so nonchalant, like, okay, like, babe, we're going to deal with something. Okay. Yeah. But anyway, time for the walk. Get some juice to go with this spaghetti and meatball. I think it needs some Pepsi, some nice Pepsi to go with the spaghetti and meatballs. I'm going to run to the shop with the girls. Cream soda?
Cream soda!
If they have it. And get the...
I want soda too.
You don't even like soda?
I like soda.
Alright, we'll work it out. But we're going to go to the shop. Thanks for sharing the day with us. And as you see, I made it out alive and intact. Yeah. But until next time, neighbors, good talking to you, good sharing with you. And big up, as usual, from Paul, Tina, Hannah, Leila, Zahra, Eden, and Ava. Until next time, take care, God bless. Big up from me and my host. Bye.
Bye, neighbor.